The soil hydration levels are within the optimal threshold for this stage of growth. Transport units synchronized. Proceeding to the processing facility for the next phase. Temperature profile is steady. The aroma development is meeting the specified European standards. Final packaging integrity confirmed. Batch 049 is ready for dispatch.
From the sensor in the soil to the shelf in the store, the chain remains unbroken.
Quality isn't an accident. It is a managed result.
Initiating the dawn hydration cycle. Precision is the foundation of flavor. The canopy density is perfect. Natural shading is performing as modeled.
Adjusting the fermentation curve by 0.5% to enhance the floral notes.
Storage temperature locked at 18 degrees Celsius. Shelf life integrity is guaranteed.
The cycle is complete. Every metric has been met with total precision. Beginning the seasonal audit. Cycle 42 is now active.
Development is consistent. The irrigation grid is providing the exact saturation required. Increasing sorting sensitivity. Only the top 5% of beans will proceed to the roaster.
The particle size is descending perfectly. The texture is reaching peak smoothness. Presentation is the final step of the process. It must reflect the precision of the origin.
Every stage verified. The standard remains absolute.
Morning calibration active. The supply chain begins with soil integrity.
Field data synchronized. Advancing to the factory for batch processing.
Thermal distribution is nominal. Roasting cycle reaching optimal aromatic profile.
Throughput efficiency at maximum. Quality standards maintained throughout the transition.
From the first sensor to the final shelf. This is the definition of excellence. Verified. Every step, every second, every bar. Warning calibration active. The system is performing within the expected precision range.
Field metrics secured. Transitioning to the secondary refinement phase. Increasing drum rotation for a more uniform thermal distribution.
Sorting efficiency at 99%. Packaging integrity is absolute.
Excellence is a constant. From the soil to this final shelf, every metric has been met. We don't just produce, we manage perfection. Cycle complete.
Morning hydration cycle initiated. Soil metrics are stabilizing within the target parameters.
Field data confirmed. Proceeding to the primary refinement stage for batch 052.
Thermal distribution is reaching its peak. Aroma development is exactly as modeled. Packaging integrity confirmed. The transition to the logistics hub is ready for execution.
Precision at every stage ensures the final result is nothing less than excellence.
Cycle complete. Excellence is now ready for the consumer.
System initialization confirmed. Beginning soil moisture audit for the dawn cycle.
Field metrics are within optimal range. Proceeding to the primary refinement facility.
Roasting temperature profile stabilized. Aroma development is matching the target signature.
Packaging integrity confirmed. Batch 060 is ready for logistics transfer.
Precision at every stage ensures the final result is nothing less than excellence.
Quality isn't just a goal, it's a managed result. Audit cycle complete. Morning calibration active. Commencing soil moisture audit for the dawn harvest cycle.
Field metrics verified. Moving to the primary refinement facility for processing.
Roasting parameters stabilized. Aroma development is matching the target signature.
Packaging integrity confirmed. Batch 070 is ready for logistics transfer.
Precision at every stage ensures the final result is nothing less than excellence.
Quality isn't just a goal, it's a managed result. Audit cycle complete.
Morning calibration active. Commencing soil moisture audit for the dawn harvest cycle.
Field metrics verified. Moving to the primary refinement facility for processing.
Roasting parameters stabilized. Aroma development is matching the target signature.